How to fix TSB Bank app won't let you log in. Let's get started. Solution 1. Check your internet connection. Launch your settings. Go ahead and click on the Wi-Fi option. Now click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. Forgot this network. Give a fresh restart to your router and rezone it. You can switch your network as well. If you're using Wi-Fi, switch it to cellular data. And in the case you are using cellular data, switch it to Wi-Fi. Then you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Solution 2. Update the app to its latest version. For that, launch your App Store. At the top, you're going to see the search box. Over there, type in the app name TSB and then search for it. With that, app will appear. After app appears, at the right corner of it, you're going to see the option of open or update. If you find the option of update over here, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Then you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Solution 3. Clear cache for the app. For that, launch your settings. Scroll down. Navigate to the option of General. Head towards the app iPhone storage. In this page, you're going to find different apps that are installed in your device. Head towards the app TSP. After you find it, click on Offload app. Click on Offload app. Offloading app clears cache for the app. Now click on Reinstall app. Once you reinstall the app, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Solution 4. Completely delete this app from your device and reinstall it. To do that, click on the option of Delete app. Click on Delete app. With that, you just deleted this app from your device. Now you can close this. Launch your App Store, search for the app TSB Mobile Banking. After app appears, install it. By following these steps, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can easily fix TSB Bank won't let you log in. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.